Hello everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Tayyab and welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so and like the video. Let's get started. Today our topic is understanding basic coding for beginners. Let's dive into it. Start with a beginner friendly language like Python. Familiar, familiar, familiarize yourself. Familiar, familiarize yourself with basic concepts like variables, loops, and functions. Utilize online resources like Co Academy or Free Code Camp for interactive learning. Don't forget to practice by building small projects. Coding is a valuable skill. Start your journey today. So this is the end of our video. If you like the video, then comment below too. Until next time, goodbye.